brothers. Spammers updates at it again. Have you ever used a free trial of a software? Then you try to get another free trial, but it won't let you, even after you uninstall the software and reinstall again. In this tutorial, I will be teaching you how to get unlimited free trial of any free trial software. Sit back and relax. I got you. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using this software for demonstration. Apparently, this software can be used to spoof and change the location of your phone, Android and iOS. Already, I have exhausted my free trial and I can't get another, even after I had uninstalled the software and reinstalled it. With this method, you can get any software trial to work again, as long as you pay attention and repeat these steps. Pay attention. Right-click on Windows icon on the taskbar and select Run. Search for %temp%. Now, I want you to select all these files and folders and delete them. To avoid errors, it's better you close every application running. Perfect. Now, search for Reg and select Registry Editor. Select this. Select System. Now, take your time to look for the software folder among all these folders. Usually, if you can't find the folder, check this folder. Perfect. I see the folder now, so go ahead and delete it. Perfect. Let's check it out. Bravo! We did it. Got my free trial up and running again, without having to install any external software. Like, subscribe, and share this video for more technical videos. One love, my G.